Thank you for continuing to stay with us as your #1 media reporting channel. As we were affected by Hurricane Irma and a week-long blackout, we are coming back, but we are seeking any and all donations in our effort to restore and get back to where we were. If you would like to donate, please click the donate button or click on the link in the description box to donate now. Thank you from all of us here. The battle that began during the 2016 presidential campaign, and even before, continues to rage. There are interests that are deeply vested in the outcome of acrimonious negotiations, court cases, and executive orders. On the one hand, the safety of Americans and the integrity of our immigration laws are at stake. On the other hand, there are those who would benefit politically by opening the borders and offering amnesty to all. President Trump put himself at the center of this during the campaign by championing secure borders complete with a wall, aggressive enforcement of our immigration laws, and deportation of illegal aliens. As this collides directly with efforts from the left to bring into the country and nurture illegals with the goal of eventually turning them into Democratic voters, sparks were sure to fly. President Trump issued an executive order banning refugees from nations known to harbor and train terrorists from entering the country. The left claimed this represented illegal discrimination, sued, and won at the lower court level, preventing the ban from going into effect. Now the president has received a victory as the U.S. Supreme Court has ordered that the ban go back into effect. As a result, 25,000 refugees are barred from entering the country. The U.S. Supreme Court stayed a lower court ruling which narrowed enforcement of President Donald Trump's travel ban, handing the administration another victory on a signature immigration policy initiative. As a result of the order, some 25,000 refugees are temporarily barred from resettlement in the U.S. The dispute concerned the reach of the High Court's June ruling, which allowed the president's order to take partial effect. Though the ruling allows the president to suspend the Department of State's refugee resettlement program for 120 days, it also provides that refugees with a bona fide relationship to a person or entity in the U.S. be permitted entry. As this case worked its way up the judicial system, it looked as though the president was going to lose this one until it made it to the Supreme Court, which reversed lower court rulings and put his travel ban back into effect. It is absurd to think that the president cannot even temporarily ban individuals from other nations from entering our country. American citizens alone have the right to enter the USA. No one else does. Entering the U.S. is a privilege we extend gladly to those who come in peace. All others should be banned. This is not over yet, however, as the justices will hear argument on the merits of the president's travel ban on October 10th. Let's hope they sustain the ruling that allows the president to exercise his rightful authority to protect our citizens. What do you think about this? Share this on Facebook and Twitter along with your comments. Let's make this go viral. Share this on Facebook and Twitter and let us know what else you think. And don't forget to help support us by subscribing and joining us on Patreon by clicking on our Patreon link in the description box down below. Don't forget to check out our all-new website with much more content than on this YouTube channel. And if you are looking for the latest must-haves at the most affordable prices, then check out at thismall.com. That's once again at thismall.com. Let the world know your thoughts on this story. American Conservative Herald helped contribute to this report. Thanks for watching and goodbye from all of us here.